Hello everyone, welcome to Tungal online classes. Let us continue our discussion on straight lines. In this session, we will discuss different forms of equation of the straight line. Means different forms of equation of the straight line. Before that, what is definition of equation of the straight line? Right? Definition of equation of the straight line is. Then tell me what is definition of equation of the straight line? What is meaning of equation of the straight line? Equation of the straight line means, or equation of the straight line is the linear relationship between the coordinates x and y which are satisfied. Once again, the linear relationship between two variables small x and small y which satisfied each and every one point on that line is called equation of the straight line. It is one of the straight line. What is its equation? Equation means one of the geometrical condition. One of the geometrical condition. Roughly, equation means one of the geometrical condition, right? The linear relationship between x and y. The linear relationship between small x and small y for which each and every one point on that line is satisfied. The linear relationship between 2x plus 2y or 2x plus y is equal to some value 5. It is one of the equation of the straight line. Linear equation always represents equation of the straight line. Equation means it is one of the geometrical condition, right? Geometrical relation or relationship between small x and small y which satisfied each and every one point on the line is called equation of the straight line, right? If you take each and every one point, suppose this is equation of the straight line, then you can take any point 2, 3 or any point in general points. If you take x, y, it is satisfied. You can take any other point x1, y1, it's also satisfied. You can take x2, y2, also satisfied. Lastly, once again, definition of straight line, equation of the straight line is. Equation of straight line is the linear relationship between x and y for which it satisfied each and every one point on the line is called equation of the straight line. Next, roughly remember, it is linear relationship between x and y, right? After that, equation of x-axis. It is x-axis and it is y-axis. Can you tell me what is equation of x-axis? Equation means one of the geometrical condition. What is condition of x-axis? Already you know, on the x-axis clearly y coordinate is 0. Throughout the x-axis, throughout this axis clearly y coordinate is 0, right? What is geometrical condition? Y coordinate 0. So equation of x-axis is clearly throughout the x-axis y coordinate is 0. On the x-axis y coordinate is 0, therefore equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. On the x-axis y coordinate is 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. What is geometrical condition? Geometrical condition is on the x-axis y coordinate is 0. This is the geometrical condition, right? Geometrical condition itself is equation of the line. X-axis is one of the line. Its equation is y equal to 0. After that, can you tell me equation of y-axis? Can you tell me equation of y-axis? It is x-axis and y-axis. Already you know, on the y-axis clearly x coordinate is 0, right? On the y-axis x coordinate is 0, means equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Then equation of y-axis is clearly on the y-axis x coordinate is 0, right? On the y-axis x coordinate is 0, geometrical condition is x coordinate 0. X coordinate 0 means its equation is x equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0 and equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, right? After that, equation of a line means equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis at a distance a units above the x-axis is. Next point, it is 2D plane, right? Two-D plane, clearly it is x-axis and it is y-axis, right? Equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance a units from the origin, means above the x-axis, right? Equation of the line parallel to x-axis. Equation of the line parallel to, this is our required line, right? Equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance a units above the x-axis or at a distance a units from the origin, right? Equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance a units above the x-axis is, clearly this distance is a unit. In general it is a be any real number, right? Then what is equation of this line? Already you know, equation of x-axis is clearly y equal to 0. Then what is equation of the line which is parallel to x-axis? Then its equation is, what is its equation? At a distance a units above the x-axis. Clearly this distance is nothing but vertical distance, right? Vertical distance means this is equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance a units above the x-axis is y equal to a. Then similarly, equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance b units below the x-axis is some b units. This is small b, right? Small b units below the x-axis, then its equation is y equal to b, right? Just look at this figure. This is our coordinate axis, y axis and x axis. What is first equation? Equation of a line parallel to, equation of a line parallel to x axis. Equation of the line parallel to x axis at a distance A units above the x-axis. Above the x-axis is y equal to a, right? Suppose we need equation of the line, vertical distance means y coordinate only, right? Next point, equation of a line parallel to x-axis at a distance b units, small b units below the x-axis, below the x-axis is, below the x-axis is y equal to b, right? Equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance b units from below the x-axis. Next, just consider 2D plane. Suppose our required line is parallel to y-axis, then what is its equation, right? This is one our required line. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance some c units right side the y-axis, or else you can take this as a units only. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis, this is our x-axis and it is y-axis, right? Equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance a units right side the y-axis is, can you tell me equation of this line? And it is vertical line only. Clearly equation of this line is x equal to a. If I take a line left side of y-axis, equation of this line and some distance b units left side the y-axis, then what is its equation? X equal to b. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance b units left side the y-axis. Left side of y-axis is x equal to b, right side of y-axis x equal to a, right? Next point, equation of a line parallel to, it should be parallel to y-axis, at a distance a units right side of y-axis is, a units right side of y-axis is, that is x equal to a, right? And similarly, one more point, same sentence, equation of a line parallel to y-axis at a distance, right, at a distance b units left side of y-axis is x equal to b. One of the line which is parallel to y-axis and left side of y-axis, then it is x equal to b. Right side some distance a units, then it is x equal to a, right? Then tell me, equation of the line which is parallel to y-axis, find the equation of the line, or tell me equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance 10 units right side of y-axis is, means this is our required line because parallel to y-axis at a distance 10 units. In this case, instead of a, some particular number 10 is given. Then what is its equation? Clearly it is x equal to a. If vertical line is there, then always x equal to. Horizontal line is there, then always y equal to, right? Then tell me equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance 3 units left side of y-axis. Left side of y-axis means at -3 only. This is x equal to -3. This distance is +3 units, but because of left side, consider negative sign. Left side means negative x-axis. This negative sign indicates left side. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance 3 units left side means x equal to -3. Left side means x equal to minus that number, right? This negative sign indicates left side. Next, different forms of equation of the straight line. Different forms of equation of the straight line. Different forms of equation of a line, different forms, right? How to find equation of the line other than these cases, right? These cases clearly vertical and horizontal. Other than these cases, suppose line is oblique, already you know definition of oblique line. Non-parallel, non-vertical lines are called oblique lines. Horizontal line, non-horizontal, non-vertical lines are called oblique lines. Suppose our line is like this. Clearly this line is non-parallel, it is not horizontal and not vertical. In such cases, how to find the equation of the straight line? We need these forms. In that first form is equation of the line slope point form. Slope point form or point and slope form. Slope point form. Then 2-point form. Next form is slope intercept form. slope intercept form. Fourth type, intercept form. Normal form. These are the different forms of equation of the straight line. Slope point form, 2-point form, slope intercept form and intercept form. Lastly, normal form of the equation of the line. Equation of the line in slope and point form, equation of line in 2-point form, equation of the line in slope intercept form, equation of the line in intercept form and equation of the line in normal form. We will derive these equations one by one. Now, we will derive equation of the straight line in slope point form. The name itself suggests when a slope and one of the point on the line is given, then what is its equation, right? Slope and point. The name itself suggests slope and point. Slope and it's one of the point. One point on the line and a slope. Slope of that line is given, then how to find the equation of the line. When 2 points on that line is given, then how to find the equation of the line. When a slope and intercept, I will explain what is meaning of intercept later, right? And when 2 intercepts are given, then how to find the equation of the line. Then equation of the line in normal form. We will discuss one by one, right? First one, take the question. Derive the equation of the line. Derive the equation of the line in slope point form. Derive the equation of the line in slope point form. Or else, derive the equation of the line passing through x1, y1 having slope small m. Both the questions are one and the same. First question, first type. They may ask like this. Find the equation of the line passing through the point x1, y1 having slope small m. Or derive the equation of the line in slope point form, right? Slope point form. Proof. Derive the equation of the line in slope and point form. Consider 2D plane, right? This is our x-axis and it is y-axis. In this case, whenever one of the point on the line and its slope is given, then how to find the equation of the line, right? This is given line L, right? How to find equation of this line? They given one of the point A, that is x1 comma y1 with slope small m, right? Means in other words, find the equation of the line passing through x1 y1 with slope small m. Derive the equation of the line passing through x1 y1 having slope small m, right? After that, I will take one of the arbitrary point. Arbitrary point P of x comma y, and this is line L having slope small m. We need to find equation of this straight line. means linear relationship between x and y. Here x1 comma y1 is fixed point and p of x comma y is any arbitrary point. What is meaning of arbitrary? Means its value is not fixed, means this point is not constant at all, right? This point is constant, that is x1 comma y1 only. Here x comma y is given, means it is not fixed, it is changing, variable. In such cases we use arbitrary point. Arbitrary point means this point may be lie here, or this point may be lie here, or this point may be lie here. Arbitrary means it lie on the line, anywhere on the line, right? Arbitrary means it is variable, it is not fixed. This is fixed point and it is variable point. Variable point means arbitrary point, right? Write some points. Let L be the non-vertical line. Let L be the, L is one of the line. Let L be the non-vertical line with the slope small m, right? L be the non-vertical line with slope small m passing through A of x1 comma y1. Let L be the non-vertical line with slope small m passing through x1 comma y1, right? Let P of x comma y be any arbitrary point point on L, right? Any arbitrary point means any variable point on that line. This is given data. After that, already they have given slope of line L. Slope of line L is same as slope of line AP, right? Why? Because these two lines are coinciding lines. If two lines are coinciding, then their slopes are equal. Already you know slope of parallel lines. Parallel lines is same as coinciding lines, right? Slope of line L, what is slope of line L? Slope of line L they have given, that is small m. Slope of line L is small m, then what is slope of line AP? Line AP entirely coincide with line L, right? These two lines are coincide means their slopes are equal, means they have given slope of AP is given. What is slope of AP? Slope of AP is equal to slope of line L. Slope of line L they have given, that is m. Now by using slope of line joining 2-point concept, m is equal to slope of AP. Can you tell me slope of AP? Can you tell me slope of AP? Slope of line joining 2-point formula already derived, right? Slope of line joining these 2 points, this point is, treat this point as x2 y2, first point as x1 y1. Then m is equal to what is slope of AP? y2 minus y1. In place of y2 we have y, in place of y1 only, divided by x minus x1, x2 minus x1. In this case x comma y, this point is x2 y2, this point is x1 y1. Then just cross multiplication, m into x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1, or y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is equation of the line when slope and one of the point on that line is given, right? This is equation of the line when one point on that line and its slope is given, then equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is, what is m? M is slope of that line, right? This is proof of equation of the line in slope and point form, or point and slope. This is proof of equation of the line passing through a point and its slope is small m. Next, derive the equation of the line in two-point form. Derive the equation of the line in two-point form, or in other words, derive the formula of equation of the line passing through x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Derive the equation of the line in two-point form, or derive the equation of the line passing through the points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. It is second one. Two-point form. Equation of the line in two-point form means clearly name itself suggests 2 points. Instead of giving its slope, suppose 2 points on that line is given, right? Proper. Consider 2D plane, right? These are coordinate axis. Clearly this is x-axis and this is our y-axis, right? We need to derive equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. In this case, slope of the line is not given. Instead of giving slope, in this case 2 points on that line is given, right? In the previous case, what they have given? In this case, slope and 1 point they have given. In this case, only 2 points on that line is given. Right? This is line L, and consider 2 points A of x1 comma y1 and point B of x2 comma y2, right? And this is line L. In this case, m value they not given, right? Then take one of the arbitrary point P of x comma y. This is variable. Arbitrary means it is variable. It lie on line L anywhere. It may be lie on here or here or here, right? Then write some explanation. Same sentence only. Let L be the non-vertical line. Let L be the non-vertical line passing through let L be the non-vertical line passing through the points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2, right? Clearly L be the non-vertical line. and it passes through given 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Next point, same sentence only. Let p of x comma y be any arbitrary point. Let p of x comma y be any arbitrary point on line L, right? This is p of x comma y be any arbitrary point. Arbitrary means it is not variable point, right? Arbitrary point on line L. Now look at these 3 points A, P, B. They are lie on the same line only, right? Clearly point A, point P and B are lie on the same line. If 3 points are lie on the same line, then what you conclude? 3 points are lie on a line means they are collinear only. 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line. If 2 lines are lie on the same line, then what about conclusion? Or what their slopes? Or else one more point, AP line is coinciding with line L, and AB line is also coinciding with line L. Here one of the line is there. This is line L, right? This is our straight line. With this line, 2 lines are coincide. One of the line is AP is coinciding and PB also coinciding with L. Means AP line and AB lines are coinciding lines. AP line and AB lines are coinciding means coinciding is nothing but parallel only. Coinciding lines are parallel lines. Parallel, if 2 lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If 2 lines are coincide, then also parallel. Coinciding lines is same as parallel lines. AB line is coincide with L and AP line is coinciding with L. A, P and B are lie on a line. Lie on a line means collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Not only slope of AB is equal to slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Remember this point. Suppose A, B and C are there. If 3 points are collinear, for your convenience you can take slope of AB is equal to slope of BC or slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Then also collinear only. 3 points are collinear means slope of AB is equal, one of the condition is slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, or we can take slope of any 2 slopes are equal, right? Not only slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. One of the basic condition is slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, then clearly points are collinear. In other conditions also applicable. Slope of AB is equal to slope of AC we can take, right? If 3 points are collinear, then any 2 slopes are equal. Not only AB and BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, it is one of the condition. Slope of AC is equal to slope of BC is other condition. Slope of AB is equal to slope of AC, that is also possible. Implies, in this case for our convenience, slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Not only this, other conditions are also possible. For getting one standard equation, I take slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Other than these conditions are also possible if 3 points are collinear. If 3 points APB are collinear, then you can take slope of AP is equal to slope of PB. That is also right. But in the textbook, they taken slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. So just I take slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Then tell me what is slope of AP? Treat this point as x2 y2 and this point as x1 y1. Then we get y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. That's equal to what is slope of AB? x1 y1 x2 y2. Already you know slope of lines joining 2 points, right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? We need equation, means I will write y minus y1 is equal to, just cross multiply, x minus y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is equation of the straight line in 2-point form. Equation of the straight line in 2-point form. If you take slope of AP is equal to slope of PB, then you get y minus y2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x2. That is also correct only. In the textbook, they have given y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 they have given. So just consider slope of AP is equal to slope of AB, right? If you take slope of AP is equal to slope of PB, then also it is right only, right? In the textbook, they have given equation of the line in 2-point form as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is equation of the straight line in 2-point form. And these proofs are very important for the point of examination, right? Next one, slope intercept form. Right? Next, slope intercept form. Intercept and its slope. Then what is intercept? Shifting of the line on the x-axis or on the y-axis is nothing but intercept. Suppose it is 2D plane. This line is some c units. Shifting of the line on the y-axis. This is y-intercept. For example, it is A, it is B. OA is known as x-intercept. How much distance is shifted towards, how much distance is shifted on the x-axis and how much distance is shifted on the y-axis. Shifting of the line on the x-axis or on the y-axis. Shifting of the line on the coordinate axis is nothing but intercepts. Intercept means shifting of the line on the x-axis or on the y-axis. OA is called x-intercept of the line L. Suppose it is line L and it is line L, and OB is called y-intercept of the line. Shifting of the line on the coordinate axis is known as intercept. Shifting of the line on the coordinate axis. In this case, what they have given in the third proof, derive the equation of the line, in slope intercept form. Means one of the intercept and its slope is given. They may give x-intercept or y-intercept. Case 1, suppose x-intercept they have given. Derive the equation of the line in intercept form as y equal to mx plus c. Then clearly c is y-intercept. Derive the equation of the line in slope intercept form as y equal to mx plus c. Proof. Consider 2D plane, right? This is x-axis and y-axis. Find the equation of the line L. It makes an intercept C. I will take this as 0, C. This is y-intercept of the line C, and it is origin, and its slope is also given small m. Equation of the straight line in slope intercept form. L be the non-vertical line having slope small m, intersect y-axis at a point A. Write some explanation. Let L be the non-vertical line having slope small m, cuts y-axis at capital A such that OA is equal to, in this case what is OA? What is OA? OA is y-intercept of the line, and what is this length? Such that OA is equal to small c, right? Now how to find slope equation of this line? Clearly they have given y-intercept. Y-intercept means one of the point on the line L only. Y-intercept means it is also a point on the y-axis and it is on the line L. Now equation of line L using slope point formula. Equation of line L by using slope point form, right? Take one of the arbitrary point P of x comma y on line L. Then slope of AP they have given. Slope of AP line is equal to, what is slope of AP? Slope of AP is same as slope of line L, right? Because slope line AP coinciding with line L means slope of line L is same as slope of AP, means slope of AP is equal to slope of line L or small m. Now use use slope of AP. What is slope of AP? Y minus C is equal to, y minus C divided by x minus 0, that's equal to small m. Then small m is equal to, implies on simplification small m is equal to y minus c divided by x, then cross multiplication mx equal to y minus c, just rearrangement, y is equal to, take this minus c into LHS, then you get y equal to mx plus c. This is equation of the line in slope intercept form. Here m is slope of the line and c is y-intercept. Let L be the non-vertical line having slope small m, cuts y-axis at A such that OA is equal to C is y-intercept. such that OA is equal to C is y intercept of L. Equation of line L by using slope point form. Slope point form, slope of AP is equal to M. Slope of line L is same as slope of AP. So slope of AP is equal to M, then y minus C divided by x minus 0 is equal to M only. On simplification you get y equal to mx plus C. This is equation of the line in slope and intercept. Here C is y intercept and M is slope of the line, and take this as first case. They may give x intercept of the line. Instead of giving y intercept, they may give x intercept of the line L. Proof is not necessary. Directly write the equation of the line whenever its x intercept is given. This is x intercept of the line, origin L. Equation of the line, it intersect x axis at A with slope small m, or equation of line L whose x intercept D with slope small m. Take this as a note. Proof is not necessary, or else you can do the proof, right? Note, equation of the line whose x intercept small d having slope small m is, equation is y is equal to m into x minus d. When y intercept is given, then y equal to mx plus c. Here c is y intercept, m is slope of the line. Here y is equal to m into x minus d. Here d is x intercept of the line. In this case, OA distance equal to d units, and m is slope of the line. This is formula for finding equation of the line when x intercept and its slope is given. X intercept and its slope. This is y equal to m into x minus d when slope of the line and x intercept is given. Y equal to mx plus c when slope and y intercept is given. This is formula for finding equation of the line whose y intercept and its slope is given. This is formula for finding whenever x intercept and its slope is given. Right. Sometimes c value may be 0. If c value becomes 0, c is nothing but a constant, a number, then it represents. If c value is 0, then also it represents a straight line. Then which type of straight line it is? When constant term is 0. For example, y is equal to some 3x is there, means constant. So suppose y equal to 3x plus 4 is given, then slope is 3, y intercept is 4. Suppose y is equal to 8x minus 3, then minus 3 is y intercept. Sometimes y is equal to 9x. Here constant term is not there. Constant term not there means c is not given, means intercept is not there. Intercept not there means this line, this distance becomes 0, means this line passing through the origin. Remember one point, if line means if a straight line passing through the origin, then clearly its constant term is 0, means then equation is y equal to mx. If a straight line passing through the origin, then its equation is y equal to mx. Y equal to mx plus c means a straight line whose y intercept is c. Suppose constant term c is not given, means clearly line passing through the origin. straight line passing through the origin, then equation is y equal to mx. If it not passes through the origin, then it is like y equal to mx plus c, or y is equal to m into x minus d, right? If y equal to mx, then clearly straight line passes through the origin. Remember this point. If c is absent, if c is not there means, then line passing through the origin. Next, equation of the line in intercept form. Next, derive the equation of the line in intercept form as, derive the equation of the line in intercept form as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is one of the important 5 mark derivation. All are important only, in that it is very important one, right? Derive the equation of the line in intercept form as x by a plus y by b equal to 1, right? Proof. Just consider 2D plane, x-axis and y-axis, right? This is x-axis, and our required line intersect x-axis as well as y-axis. In the previous case, one of the intercept they have given, either x-intercept or y-intercept, and its slope they have given in the previous case. But in this case, instead of giving slope, in this case only x-intercept as well as y-intercepts are given. This is line L making an intercepts on the coordinate axis. This is A and this is B, and this is A comma 0. X-intercept is taken as small a and y-intercept is taken as small b. In this case, this is small b. OB is equal to small b and OA is equal to small a. Suppose both the intercepts are given, then equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, right? Write some explanation. Let L be the non-vertical line. Let L be the non-vertical line intersect intersects coordinate axis. Coordinate axis, it is plural form, AXES plural, AXIS singular. Coordinate axis means both x-axis and y-axis. Coordinate axis at capital A and capital B. Such that OA is equal to small a and OB is equal to small b. OA, this length, OA length is small a, OB length is small b, right? Next, x-intercept is equal to OA is equal to small a, y-intercept, in this case both the intercepts are given, equal to OB is equal to small b they have given. Now we need to find equation of this line L. Tell me what is equation of the line L? Can you tell me equation of line L? Or equation of AB? Both are one and the same only, because both are coinciding line. Coinciding lines have same equation and same slope, right? Can you tell me slope of equation of AB? Equation of AB is same as equation of line L. Why? Because line L and line AB are coinciding lines. Now, equation of L or AB, equation of line AB by using 2-point form. Already you know how to find equation of line passing through 2 points, or equation of the line in 2-point form. Treat this as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2. Equation of line joining 2 points, not slope of line joining 2 points. Suppose a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2 they have given. Then equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. It is equation of the line in 2-point form. Treat first point as x1 y1 and second point as x2 y2. Use this formula, y minus, then y minus, what is y1 here? This is x1 y1 means y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, what is y2 here? B is y2, y2 minus 0, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a only, into x minus x1, x minus, what is x1? x1 is small a, right? X minus x1. Already you know equation of the line passing through 2 points form. Just equation of AB by using 2-point form, right? After that just simplification. Then y is equal to b divided by minus a into x minus a. Just cross multiplication. Just multiply this minus a to LHS. Then minus ay is equal to bx minus AB, minus BR minus AB. Now just rearrangement, send it to RHS. Take this minus AB into LHS, then plus AB, and send this minus AY into RHS. Then it will be BX plus AY. After that already you know standard form of the equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, means in RHS we need plus 1. After getting this expression, dividing AB, then you get AB divided by AB, that's equal to BX divided by AB plus AY divided by AB, dividing each term by AB, right? Then clearly you get 1 is equal to b get cancel, x by a plus a get cancel, y by b. Hence x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is equation of the line in intercept form. This is very important one, right? Just by using 2-point formula only. By using 2-point formula, simplification. It is just solving one problem. Equation of line joining 2 points. Already you know equation of line joining 2 points. Equation of AB means equation of line L, right? After simplification you get x by a plus y by b equal to 1. It represents equation of the straight line in intercept form. Okay, thank you.